Good morning, students. In the previous class I explained about pair of simultaneous linear equations. The standard form of a pair of simultaneous linear equations given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So another one, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Please note this. Together these two equations together these equations together these equations are called simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In examination, maybe they will ask one more question. Write the standard form of a pair of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. You have to write these equations, these two equations. Here where as a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 or belongs to set of real numbers. Set of real numbers nothing but constants. Okay na? Yes, now complete chapter depend upon these two equations. Then only you can find the values of variables. I said in yesterday class. With one equation we cannot find. That is only in case of linear equations. Okay na? But if you know these two equations, then you can find the value of x and y. That is the equation involving two variables. Then only yes, we need one more equation. Together these two are called as pair of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. As the first exercise questions, you have to convert the word problems in terms of pair of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. That is exercise number 3.1. As first I will read out question in detail. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were 10. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Now you have to represent this word problem in the form of simultaneous linear equations in two variables, algebraically as well as graphically. Now I will say about algebraically at the time of graph, then I will say how to convert the equations in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so here there are two conditions. First condition, 7 years ago. The second condition is yes, 3 years from now. Before that, after his present is taking as x and his daughter is taking as a y. Let's write down answer or solution. Exercise number 3.1. That's first question. Let Aftab Aftab's present is be say x years. Let his daughter's is present is yes, daughter's present is be say y years. Now here there are two conditions. First condition is 7 years ago. 7 years ago. Ago means before 7 years. Yes. What about Aftab is? Aftab's is yes. 7 years ago. Now x 7 years ago. That is x minus 7 years. Next, daughter says daughters is, that is equal to y minus 7 years. Yes, now the condition is given. I was 7 times as old as you. Yes, according to given, according to given, yes, x minus 7 is equal to 7 times y minus 7. I was 7 times, I mean Aftab age is 7 times old as his daughter's age. So x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. Let's convert this one. X minus 7, 7 into y, 7y minus 49. Therefore, x minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now, this is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. The first equation is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. Now, second equation, as 3 years from now, as 3 years from now, 3 years from now, yes, 3 years from now, I mean after 3 years. So what about after is, after yes is equal to present age x, after 3 years x plus 3. His daughter's age is that is as y plus 7. According to given, as x plus 3 is equal to, the condition is 3 times 3 into as old as u, that is y plus 7. Therefore, x plus 3 is equal to 3y plus 21. Therefore, as x minus 3y plus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3y minus as 7 3 is 21 as 3 times x plus, sorry, this is 7 years, 3 years from now means yes, this is y plus 3. Yes, here 9. Yes, here also minus 9. Yes, minus 6 is equal to 0. Yes, these two are the equations in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and another one a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Yes, please note this. Okay, over. Yes. Let's see second one. Second question. Same exercise 3.1. Again word questions, word problems. Again you have to convert in the form of standard form of pair of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Yes, the coach of cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 300. There are two things here. Yes, let the cost of bat, one bat, not bat, is equal to say x rupees, and the cost of one ball or ball, here you write here one, no problem, one ball is equal to say y rupees. Yes, the coach of cricket team buys 3 bats. Yes, what is the total amount of 3 bats? That is 3x. Next, plus 6 balls, that is 6y, is equal to the total cost 3,900 rupees. Yes, therefore 3x plus 6y minus 3,900 is equal to 0. Now this is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. If you want, you can divide by 3, no problem. Next case, later she buys another bat. So again, case number 2, second case. She buys another bat. Another bat means that is only one bat. Next, according to given second condition, second equation, according to given or second case, she buys only one bat, that is x rupees, and three more balls. Three more balls means 3 into cost of each ball, that is y, 3y, total cost of 3 ball is equal to 1,300. Therefore, x plus 3y minus 1,300 is equal to 0. This is another equation. Or is equal to 1,300, right? Here also 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, or x plus 3y is equal to 1,300, or you can take constant term towards left side, no problem. There is not a big problem. Same answers as. So this is about the second question. First equation 3x plus 6y is equal to 3,900, and second one x plus 3y is equal to 1,300. Okay, let's see today's last question and also last question in this exercise. The cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes. There are two types of fruits here. As first, third one, let cost of 1 kg of apple is equal to say rupees x, and let cost of 1 kg of grapes is equal to say rupees y. Yes, according to given condition, now you see here 2 kg of apples. What is the cost of 2 kg of apples? That is 2x plus 1 kg of grapes, that is 1y or y, as total cost, that is equal to 160 rupees. Call it as 1. Next, second case. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apples, that is 4x, plus 2 kg of grapes, that is 2y, is equal to rupees 300. Rupees 300. Yes, this is 2. As together, these two equations are called as pair of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Okay, so this is about the first exercise, and the next exercise I will start finding the solution of simultaneous linear equations in two variables. We shall discuss in the next video class. Yes, thank you.